Hey everybody, this is Patrick Stanzak from Geek Heroes and AI for Everything Business, and we're going over all the new features GPT-4 has. I'm implementing them, and I wanted to show everyone what they are. So, without further ado, this is GPT, as everybody's seen and the whole world knows about. There's GPT 3.5 and 4 now. Now, not everybody necessarily has this right off the bat, but if you've been a user for a little while, you've been paying them, right? They're going to kind of show you things that other people might not. You might have to go to a place such as this, OpenAI GPT plugins join the waitlist, and a couple other new things they're coming out with. So, let's dive into it. There's little three dots down here. If you click on them, you're going to see a lot of things. And don't mind all my chat things. Lots of different reasons, right? Birthday card messages. Like, it's better than what I can write. That's why it's in there. But if we look at all this, my plan's just a paid one. We can go into custom instructions. So instead of going through all the different responses and doing the priming that I've mentioned multiple times, where you have to put in a lot of info before you ask it so it has a better picture of everything, you can enter a bunch of stuff in here and just kind of have it ready. So GPT will use this for all new chats, as you see here. You can enable it and disable it. And how would you like it to respond? In what order? What's your voice? What's that? If you're not someone like me that uses it for everything, if you want to use it more for your business or something like that, or just around the house, or you wanted to know the kind of person you are, your voice and all that, go ahead, put all this information in here. I haven't entered it in here yet, but I am working on it. Now, if we click through the three dots again, we're going to click Settings and Beta. So here we go. The themes from light to system's light, okay? And then you have dark. So clearly I'm going to choose the one that's not standard, just so it looks a little bit different. That's just how I am. Plus, I like the dark. Staring at a screen 12 hours a day, hurts the eyes. And so this is, it's nice to have darkness that I stare into. So, less blue light and all that. Beta features. As a Plus user, enjoy early access to experimental new features, which may change during development. So we have plugins. Try a version of ChatGPT and know when and how to use third-party plugins that you enable. Enable that if you have this. Advanced data analysis. Try a version of GPT that knows how to write and execute Python code and can work with file uploads. Try asking for help with data analysis, image conversions, or editing a code file. Node files do not persist beyond a single session. And so that's cool. I have not tried with this yet. Once I get into it, I will let you guys know, but I activated it. Then in data controls, you have chat history and training, so you can throw that in there. You can export your data, shared links, and all that kind of stuff. Now, let's see what that is. Okay. So it's anytime you share the link to your chat, that's what it is. It saves it as a file so you can do it again. Now, the next thing, we're not done yet, right? It's come out like these four things here. It's kind of helping to generate prompts for you. And then look, if you hover over this now, and it might have been because I signed up for the plugin waitlist and everything, and it kind of gave it to me right away. What I did is I went to this page, and kind of instead of clicking this, I just logged in and it took me through something. It might have connected it. Not sure, because I don't remember hovering over this before, so I don't know if this is here before. But let's take a look at some stuff. You have your default GPT, which is, well, just your standard. Advanced data analysis. Okay, that's the code stuff, the Python and everything that we had activated. And then you have your plugins, and then you have your plugins. Great, I clicked it. Now what do? This is no plugins enabled. If you click on this, there's a plugin store. Look at this thing. It's exactly what you would think. I already looked at a couple different places. I know Zapier has one, which if you know anything about Zapier, it's automation. It's connection of it to things with APIs. And now they have one to GPT, and any API that Zapier has, you can, think about that. You can just say, hey, craft me an email. Now send the email to this person in this CRM. And if you already told them what CRM you use, it'll probably just say, you want me to do it in this CRM? Because it already knows what things you use in that little note about yourself, right? So we're getting there. We're getting that much closer to personal butlers, right? Virtual butlers and stuff like that is kind of the term I've seen thrown around the internet where do the things you want. You call it a secretary, call it whatever. Like it just GPT is the best assistant I've ever had, right? So you start looking at this stuff. Okay, what do they have? Ooh, they have kayak stuff for rentals, Expedia, Earth, make a sheet, generate a CSV file to be directly imported into Google Sheets. Oh, that one's awesome. We are installing that one right now. One that's you might have not thought about, AI PDF, and there's a couple of them. So let's install the top one, right? We're going popular. We're just going to go top one. It doesn't have the how many people downloaded and all that yet. Diagrams is cool. We're going to install that. We're just going to go a little bit crazy here, and we're just going to see how this stuff functions. We might ask a couple questions, and you can see up top, there's little plugin icons, almost like little favicons being added towards the top. Generate beautiful PDFs in seconds, resumes, cover letters, proposals, everything. Let's do that. Let's create some awesome things. Search and browse the web by using Google search results with Keymate AI. It crawls real-time data, guys. Look at that. Oh, it's making me sign up and all that. So I might do that one a little later. Let's go back, see if it saved anything. No plugins enabled. Oh, it did have a couple of it. Yeah, one. Oh, you can only enable 3 at a time. I got it. I'm learning. Let's just look at a couple others, and then we're just gonna call this a video, guys, because I wanted to show you the newest things while I was doing it. Scholar AI. I heard great things about this one. We should definitely do that. I already have it authorized and everything, so I'm just going to click it. It uses scholarly references and stuff. So anytime you use references and you're like, I don't know what's happening, and it's all, I don't know, what do they call it, ghost prompts or ghost answers, or like, I don't know whatever the words are, but they're using. But basically, like, hey, it's fake stuff. Look, this is like the links lead you to nowhere. When you ask for references, this is going to do that. Look, 40 million plus peer-reviewed papers, and that's what it's going to use for references. This one is amazing. I haven't used it yet. I'm just boasting off of what other people have boasted about this thing. All right. Smart slides, AI powered tool for rapid PowerPoint presentation. Amazing. I just did it. Oh my goodness. So I guess they're going to make you sign up for a bunch of this stuff, which I'm going to do, but I don't want to bore you guys with this video, signing up for everything. So, and I'm not editing this thing, so I'm going to just do it. Everybody said, all the teachers said, don't use Wikipedia as a resource. BS on that. There we go. And then what else? Oh, there's a Zapier, or Wolfram's another one. This is for math. GPT's had issues with multi-step problems, and Wolfram's like really good for math and computation and all that kind of stuff. And so this is probably going to be a pretty good one if it's coming directly from them. And then Zapier, last but not least, I think I just got to allow it because I already have an account and everything. I'm going to close the action settings. They're asking me, what do I want to do? Create an action right now. No, I guess they're going to be using actions as actual zaps. That's what that is. Let's take a look at some stuff here. Scholar. Let's use the Scholar one. And let's use a doc maker. I need you to create a scholarly document PDF for me that is, I don't know, let's do 500 words long about AI and the power it has in everything business. Perfect. All right, let's see what it comes up with. Right. What I try to do here is use both of them. I'm like, I want a scholarly document, so pull from actual resources, and I usually put it in a PDF for me. Let's see what it does, because I haven't used these two plugins first time. Let's see if it just automatically generates something for download. Right? That'd be crazy. You download something straight from GPT. Let's see if I have Once I've written the content, okay, of course I'll draft the 500-word scholarly document on the topic of AI and its transformative power in the business world. Once I've written the content, I'll convert it to PDF for you. Holy crap, guys. This is it. We're finally making progress, making moves towards, I mean, you know, the virtual butlers, the virtual secretaries, yeah, I think butler might be the best word. Like, you know, Jeffrey from, you know, Fresh Prince, but kind of did everything, right? Look at that, guys. Using DocMaker, and it's converting it to a PDF. This is awesome. Of course, normally I would ask for references and other things, and maybe I should have to take advantage of that scholarly plugin because I don't think it really used it. Maybe it did, maybe not. I didn't really check against it. But after it creates this PDF, I'm going to ask it to see where it pulled the information from, and then maybe that's where maybe it is pulling from the scholarly articles. I just you know, we can't tell right now. It looks like I'll be making a video on every single one of these plugins individually, and we're going to review everything and see how it all works. So it's taken a little while. And also a little update on the amount of prompts and answers you can get with GPT. It said every 3 hours you can do 50 now. So that's the new number. It was 25 in an hour. Now they're saying 50, but 3 hours. So I'm like, all right, I see what they're doing. And the way it works is it's like the timer doesn't start when you hit 50. It's like every 3 hours you get 50. So what happened to me the other day was I ran out of 50, and then it said at like 3:15 you'll be able to do another. You know, it'll open up again, and it was like 3:10. So I had 5 minutes beforehand. So it's just the 3 hour period, which is good, right? Okay, so look at this. We used DocMaker, created a scholarly document, artificial intelligence, the transformative power in business for you. You can download the PDF by clicking on the link below. So let's click on it. Okay, and it goes in the DocMaker's, you know, thing, of course. So we got a little preview here. It's in here, and then all you have to do is, you can adjust it with chat here, and then download it as a PDF. Let's try, guys. Let's see if it's that easy. It is that easy. Let's click on it. Here it is. Here is my PDF document on this stuff. Look, we can go in this all day. I'm not going to. I just wanted to show you the new plugins and other things that GPT is offering. I'm Patrick Stanzak and Geek Heroes, and remember, we're AI in everything business. Stay tuned to everything.